Bose frames are more than sunglasses. Miniaturized Bose electronics produce rich, immersive sound for you, while others hear practically nothing. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your frames. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. Inside, you will find your carry case. Open the carry case to reveal your Bose frames, along with a cloth bag containing a USB charging cable. Also inside the box is a quick start guide and important safety information. To charge the frames, properly align the pins on the charging cable with the charging port on the right temple until they magnetically snap into place. Connect the other end of the charging cable into a computer that is powered on or a USB wall charger. A blinking white status light means the frames are charging. Your frames will not play audio while charging. Please do not wear the frames while they're charging. When the status light glows solid white, that means your frames are fully charged. To set up your frames, keep them up to date, and to access additional features, you'll need to download the Bose Connect App from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your frames. Once connected, you'll hear
"Connected to next phone,"
and the status light quickly blinks white for 2 seconds. Your Bose frames are now set up. For additional information, visit our website.